Hi friends, welcome to my channel. For more Python tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Today in this video, I am going to tell about how to sort a dictionary by its values. Okay. You can use Python shell, but here I am going to using Python Jupyter to execute this Python code. Okay. For sorting the dictionary by values, we have to import the module operator. Okay, here I am going to just create a simple dictionary named x equal to Anu 24, Parthi 1, Saju 32, Sanju 30. Okay, dictionary is the key value arrangement of key and values, and this is key and this is its value, and this is another key and this is its corresponding value, and so on. And you can see its values 24, 1, 30 to 30. It is not in order, that is incrementing order or decrementing order. Our task is to sort the dictionary by its values. Here I am going to print our dictionary x. Okay, this is our dictionary, and next I am going to sort the dictionary by its values. This is the code for sorting the dictionary. Okay, sorted x, the name of the dictionary, dot items, comma, key equals operator dot item getter, in that bracket 1. Okay, now I am going to print the updated dictionary. Here you can see the updated dictionary, and it is sorted the dictionary by its values in incrementing order. This is the lowest key value, and next highest this one, and next highest this one, and next highest is this one. Okay, this is the code for sort the dictionary by its values in incrementing order. And if you want to get only the ordered of values, then you can use this syntax, sorted in that bracket x dot values. Okay, this is the output. This code will sorted only its values. Okay, we will get the output of the ordered values. Okay, if you get how to sort a dictionary by its values, hope you guys understand. Thank you for watching my video. For more Python tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.